Let's say you realize how much better tailored clothes look on you, so you pick up a sewing machine, but you're still a little apprehensive to get started. You're apprehensive to get started because you have no idea what you're doing and you need to practice first, right? I mean, I get it. You don't want to ruin your clothes. I'm SD, and if you're new, I show guys like you how to tailor your own clothes at home. So if that sounds like your jam, click subscribe. This is the easiest way to learn how to practice tailoring your clothes, and I guarantee you, there's like a 90% chance that you already have this in your house. When I first started tailoring my own clothes... You thought your phone froze, didn't you? Keep watching. I would practice on my clothes that I knew that I wasn't gonna wear again. And that got me through like 5 to 10 garments between dress shirts and t-shirts and chinos, but by the end of all of that, I still really wasn't all that confident. When you jump into this, you're gonna notice that you figure out the fundamentals in like 5 minutes. But 5 minutes after that, you're going to realize that despite the fact that I make my tutorials super easy to follow, you're still struggling. Wait for it, I'm about to go straight Rain Man on you. So what do? Buy more practice shirts and then dive into your expensive stuff? No, use a bed sheet. Wait, what? Yeah, a bed sheet. I mean, think about it. You most likely have 2 or 3 sets in your house already, and if you're like an average guy like me, 1 set. If that's the case, go down to Walmart and spend $7 on a new one. So for the price of 1 clearance shirt, you can get all the practice in that you need. Are you ready? I'm about to throw a whole bunch of math at you. You go to the store, spend $5 to $10 on a king-size flat sheet with the dimensions of 102 inches by 108 inches. You then cut it into strips lengthwise that are each 4 inches wide. That's gonna give you 24 really long strips of fabric. Now take those strips and cut them in half. Now you got 48. Take all those strips and cut them in half again. Now you got 196 strips of fabric. That means you have 196 opportunities to practice the straight stitch. You have 196 opportunities to practice the zigzag stitch, which a lot of people can struggle with. You'll have those stitches down in no time, and at that point you can practice tapering with pins, or you can practice ironing darts. Take a strip of fabric and practice with some measurements and put some pins in there and sew right along that line that those pins make. Practice staggering your taper so that it's not strong or aggressive. That could end up causing some dimples in your fabric and they look really ugly and unprofessional. And this is an interesting one. Practice thicker materials. Take a couple of strips and fold them in on themselves and practice tailoring thicker materials because you're not really too sure yet if your machine can handle it. And if your machine can handle it, well, can your universal needle handle it, or do you need to upgrade to a denim needle? $5 to $10 and 30 minutes later and you're probably gonna be a master. Let's go make this dress shirt fit perfectly. It's in the end card. I'll see you on the other side. SD out. Deuces!